Hi, so we have here this Arca-Swis rail, a lot of holes. In the back you have this for attach your camera, and Arca-Swis compatible, so you get a tripod that is Arca-Swis compatible, and the only thing you need to do is remove and then slide and tight, and that's it. You are all set. Now you can mount on top your camera gear, and that's it. You can use to partially slide, and I mean partially because please pay attention here in the middle. If you use the camera here, you're going to get stuck, or here, right? So has some degree of utility and appeal, but it's not the perfect glider. Maybe if you put the camera on top, then yes, you can do what I'm doing, right? You can slide. So works fine, fully made of metal, and has these locks which are going to prevent from dropping your camera gear. Let me show you. That's it. Good value for the money, and this is a good size. Is 380 centimeters, almost 40 with the space here and here. Recommended.